My name is Rodrigo Freg. I am the BIM manager for the SNC Lavalin Clean Power Group in Vancouver. In my role, I'm responsible for looking after all of the BIM implementation and support services. The Site C project is a massive $10.7 billion project located in Northeast BC. It's a hydroelectric facility with a capacity of 1,100 megawatts, and it will provide enough clean energy to power 450,000 homes here in BC. The benefits of using 3D for collaboration is that we all work in the same environment. We can do things like class detection, we can review models visually, and we need to use each other's models in order to be able to produce all the documentation that goes onto the project. Now, when you add BIM 360 to the mix, you're adding another level of value where you're making available all this data instantly at any time from anywhere in the hands of the engineers and the project stakeholders.
My name is Matt Lee. I'm the BIM specialist for BC Hydro for the Site C project. We have a lot of work done by consultants, contractors, and being able to work in one common data environment is crucial. Sharing models, real-time changes, clash detection is huge for us to catch these things that you can't just see on 2D drawings.
I've been in the business for over 20 years, so I've used AutoCAD for quite some time, and I cannot believe that Rivet is so easy and cost-effective to use. If the engineer asks me to do a change, it's virtual, instant, and without a blink of an eye, I can do a section, I can do design detail, I can do 3D views, I can collaborate on the cloud almost instantaneously.
Life before BIM 360 was a lot more of stop and go processes. Being able to all work on the cloud together, we were able to work together in real time.
By having all the data available to you anytime, you can make better design decisions, better construction decisions, better coordination decisions.